Hey guys, Costco is seeing a huge surge and super success in China for the new stores that they actually opened in Beijing and Shanghai. Here in the Western and in the Western states, they we I think on average it was about 60,000 subscriptions per store. In the very first store that Costco opened, after about 3 months, they had 250,000 subscriptions. In their second store, they're looking at around the same, and then I think they're going to average around 100,000 subscriptions per store, which is a little bit over about it's around 50% more per store that Costco does in China over here. So this might mean that, for Costco, we are going to be looking at maybe another huge growth spike in the next year or so. So currently right now, I do think Costco is valued at around what's the market cap? 170 billion. I can easily see Costco going to like maybe 250 billion, $300 billion market cap over the next year just on new China stores, which is, pretty nuts because obviously China is way bigger than the United States. So we can definitely see a huge growth spike in the next year, and possibly even a split on their stock price, just like Tesla had and just like Apple had. But yeah, just a quick update.